Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to teach you guys how to make Chicago style giardiniera. It's a hot giardiniera, Italian. I already chopped up everything and I will leave a link right over here. Okay, so you go over there and follow that step-by-step process of making this giardiniera, hot giardiniera, okay? If you don't want like serrano peppers and stuff like that, in yours, then you ain't got to put it in there. Okay? Alright, so let me show you what I have here. This is just my strainer and all that stuff. You have to brine this stuff overnight. This is enough to make at least a gallon of giardiniera. And that's how mine's look. I did use a whole crown of cauliflower. I used 10 ounces of carrot, French cut. I used 8 stalks of celery and a quarter cup of salt with the water and just fill it up to the rim. And I used a bell pepper too, red bell pepper in this also. So that's how that looks. I just want to make one a little bit finer than I did the last time. So I gotta go strain this out and we'll go ahead and get our stuff together. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. We're gonna go ahead and start putting some of this seasoning in here. This is whole celery seed right here. I'm gonna put a teaspoon with that. Well, we go with a tablespoon with that, okay? Alright. Black pepper. We're gonna go with a teaspoon. Just like so. This is Italian seasoning. We can go with like 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be 2 tablespoons of that. So you do want to brine that overnight, like I said. And I forgot to tell you guys, I put like 14 of these serrano peppers in there. I cut them super thin. Okay, this is how thin they look, okay? Because I use these for relish on my sandwiches and pizzas and stuff like that. Alright, so we got that. So let's come in here with some oil. We're going to probably need about 2 cups. Because we're making a lot. About 2 cups right there. We're going to pour that in there. Just like so. We might end up using 3. We're going to use some vinegar. This is distilled vinegar right here. You got to use some of that. Let's see if we can do 3 cups. No, not 3 cups, 2 cups of that. This is almost like a vinaigrette, so that you guys know. Alright. This will help preserve your veggies. So we're going to come in with another cup of that oil. This is olive oil, extra virgin. Could put the whole thing in it. Matter of fact, you can put the whole thing if you want to in it. It's not going to hurt it. This is a pint. So I'm going to put the whole thing in it. You know, since we're saving this. And we'll just whisk this up. Just like so, fam. And I'm going to go ahead and pour some of this in here. Now I have a ½ gallon jar over here, but I'm going to have to buy another one, I can tell you that now. So, and you let this stuff sit overnight. Oh my goodness gracious. Trust me guys, you love this recipe for your Italian beefs and all that stuff. With your VELDOGG, I got that on there. Also, I'll leave a link to that. I'm gonna come in here with four cloves of chopped garlic. Okay, that's going to infuse. I do not brine my garlic because I'm gonna pour that water out, right? So you just put that in there. And don't brine your your olives because it's already been cured, okay? Already been done. So I'm gonna put some of those in here. Just trying to even them out. So mix that up, guys. Well, talking about the best giardiniera ever. I promise you, make it. Make it. I promise you. You would be thanking me. I have done this numerous of times. And the reason why I started making this is because I started doing my VELDOGG, my signature hot dog. And I have to make this from scratch. You know, anything tastes better when it's fresh, right? So let me put this over here. So this is all we're doing. Mixing this up. You can use a spoon if you wanted to. Alright, take my other olives, rest of them. Put that in there. In fact, let's go ahead and get that spoon. Alright. Spoon in here. Mix this up. Alright. I'm going to put them in this jar. It's like a half a gallon. You can get this at Walmart. The longer you let this sit, the better it tastes. I'm not gonna lie to you, and it will maintain this texture. That's why you're putting that vinegar in it. Yep, I would need about two of these half a gallon. So this is about a gallon. That should be the last of that. Like that. Pour you some of this stuff in here. Alright. Push that down up in there. Put that on there. There you go. Right there, fam. Chicago style, the best Chicago style. Hot giardiniera. I tell you. Okay? So that's how that looks. I will, like I said, I will leave a link for you guys. And just stay tuned in. See you guys in a minute. Much love.